Alright, this is the lightsaber project. I was using the Silky Gold PLA from Hello3D. I've been using it a lot this week, just trying to dial in the different kind of heat temperature that it needs and the speed. So basically all of these were made to fit into each other. They will need a little bit of sanding because they fit very tight, but once you fit them together, it doesn't seem like they come off too easily. This is a very simple STL file. It was free from Thingiverse. You can go there and check it out as well. I think it's pretty neat. It's worth working on, and you know, you'll have your own lightsaber. These were 2 extra parts, I guess interchangeable. So far, I really like this filament. The reason is because I have gold filament, but it's nowhere near as shiny as this. It's more of like, I don't know what you would call it, a champagne gold. And this is more of like 24 karat gold probably. I don't know if you could see it that well, but the difference is like night and day. So yeah, my previous supplier was pretty inexpensive, but if you're making quality products, or if you're trying to start a business and you want to offer quality products, you have to start using quality materials. And it's obvious that this is very good material. PLA is known for, you know, being the easiest type of material to work with in the 3D printing scene, and I like it. It does have a couple of quirks, you know, with heat and stuff and warping, but I'm sure if you finished it properly, you wouldn't have any problem at all. I really like it. Fits good in the hand. I'll probably print some more pieces or try to find some new STL files just to mess around some. But hopefully I'm going to be getting a marble PLA and a black glitter PLA. So that's pretty exciting. Waiting for that. Got a lot of ideas to work on with that. So there you go. There's the lightsaber project, print project. It's not 100% perfect. I could dial it in, but it looks nice as is. And of course, if you're going to paint over it, any of the mistakes will actually give some character to the model itself. So I think it's cool. You can mess around with the sizes and stuff if you don't like how big or how small any of the pieces are, if they don't fit right. But all of that's basically up to you. That's pretty much it.